Here again, brother and sister, kam safatan karatum fihi. Translation? Did you read? Qara'ana. See now, look at the ma'dud. What is the ma'dud? Safatan. That is muannas. Feminine, brother Hassan. So the number has to be no, masculine, opposite. So see, qara'ana salasan. What is salasan? Maf'ulun bihi. Qara, fi'al, na, fa'il, salasan, maf'ulun bihi, brothers and sisters. And what is waw? Ataf. And khamsina, ma'tufun ala salasan. And safhatan, tamiz, very good. Adnan says, al-kitabu fihi tis'una safhatan. What kind of a sentence is this, brother? This is a compound sentence. Al-kitabu mubtada. Are you with me? Now leave it aside. Forget it. Fihi, jar majur, shibu jumla, khabar. Number 2, we can say. And what is this una? Mubtada number 2. Are you with me, brother? Why don't you put it in the bracket? Fihi, this una safatan. Now this sentence is the whole of it coming as a khabar for al-kitab. You got it, brother Abdul Samad? Yes. This is, if you get it, inshallah, that's wonderful, brothers and sisters. Alhamdulillah. Al-kitabu is our mubtada, but we leave it aside. Then the whole sentence, we analyze it. Fihi, jar majur, shubu jumla, khabar. This atun, mubtada marfu, alamatu rafahi, al-wawu, لأنه جمع مذكر سالم. And safatan is tamiz. Al-jumlatul ismiyatu. Are you listening? Al-jumlatul ismiyatu fi mahalli raf'in khabar mubtada. Now these are all, we are going to do it in book 3. That's how you will describe. But in short, we can say that jumla ismiya is now khabar for al-kitab. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Inshallah. Marfu, because it is mubtada. Put into bracket fihi, this una safatan. So that whole sentence is a khabar for kitab. You must put it into bracket so that it becomes very clear to you. Qara'ana minha, the book contains, how many pages are there? 90. We read Qara'ana minha, we read from it. How many pages did we read? Thalasan wa khamsina safatan. Wa baqiya, and how much is left? Sab'un wa thalasuna safatan. So sab'un is your fa'il for baqiya. And remains, okay? Waw ataf, thalasuna, mawtufun ala, sab'un, and safatan is tamiz. Is it clear, brothers and sisters? I want to finish the lesson. No, I think I don't want to finish the lesson. We must take a break because I want to explain you nicely, inshallah. So let us take a short break, brothers and sisters. Have some snacks, inshallah. So far interesting, brothers and sisters? We are back. Hope you enjoyed your snacks and samosa. Wow. Okay. We are now again coming to this verb in the lesson. Ishtara. What is the root of it? Shara. Sheen, Ra, Ya. And the extra letters are Alif and Ta. We are going to learn it later on, inshallah. But as you can see, the Lam Kalima is Ya. It means it is weak. It will not conjugate normally. So we are not going to Chedo it. Okay? But we will start with hunna because then it becomes easy. So if ishtara, you put nunu niswa, what will it become? Ishtaraina. Ishtaraina. Okay? And yashtari, brothers and sisters, remember it is marfu. And what will be the mansub form of yashtari? Yashtariya. Always remember this. We will do the majzoom form later on, brothers and sisters. So if I say yashtari, 5 in your pocket, yashtari, tashtari, tashtari, ashtari, nashtari. Very good, brother. So ishtaraina, ishtaraita, ishtaraytuma, ishtaraytum, ishtarayti, ishtaraytuma, ishtaraytunna, ishtaraytu, ishtarayna. We must also remember that this Hamza, brother and sister, is Hamzatul Wasal. If anything comes in front of it, for example, Ma, if Ma comes front of it, how will you say? Mash. If Ma came, you will say Mash. If Waw came, Wash. This also we have to remember it. Ma ajmala hakibataka. Ya Ustad. What is ma ajmala? Fi'lu ta'jib. What is it? Fi'lu ta'jib. The verb of expressing wonder and surprise. Ma ajmala. How beautiful. How beautiful is your handbag. Ya Ustad. Now, bika mishtaraitaha. What is it? Bika mishtaraitaha. For how much did you purchase? Ishtarai is your verb, ta is your file, and ha is maf'ulun bi. Fine, brother. See, now in order to understand this verb nicely, Dr. Abdurrahim has created these few sentences, this dialogue. Al-Mudarris, ishtaraytuha bi, I bought it for Samanina riyalan. Samanina. B. What is B? Samanina? Jar majrur. Make it Samanina marfu. Samanuna. Samanuna. Fine. You got the idea. So I'll say B, harf jar, Samanin, ism majrur, wa alamatu jarrihi al-yaw. Li'annahu, ukhud, you can say, because it is ukhud. Fine. Because it is on the wazan of Jama Mudhakkar Salim. Fine. Hashim says, what does Hashim says? Anashtaraitu. How will you pronounce? Anashtaraitu mithlaha, like it. Bi sab'ina riyalan. I bought it. So ana is mubtada, and then ishtaraitu, this sentence is jumla failure, coming as a khabar. Tu is your file. Misla maf'ulun bi wa huwa mudaf, ha mudaf ilay. Bi harf jar, sab'ina, ism majrur, riyalan, tamiz, mashallah. Misla, like it. Like it. I bought, like it, for 70 riyals. Anashtaraitu hakibatan, I bought a handbag, asgara minha, smaller than it is, Asgara minha. Okay, bisittina riyalan. Now I want to quiz you, brothers and sisters. Ana mubtada. Okay, where is the khabar? Jumla failure. What is ishtarai? Fi'al. Tu, fa'il. Hakibatan, maf'ulun bihi. Mashallah. And what is asgara? Not. Mashallah, mashallah. But I don't see here tanween fatah. It is a diptore. What is it? It's a diptore because, ismu tafdil. Akbaru, akbara, akbara. Asgaru, asgara, asgara. So it is diptone. MashaAllah, you did it very well. Minha, jar majroor. Bi harf jar. Sittina ism majroor. Badal Abdul Mukim. Riyalan is your tamiz. Okay? Inshallah. Huh? You got the idea, brothers and sisters? Now, ajib anil as'ilatil atiyati. Kam mudarrisan jadidan ja'a. What will you say? Ja'a khamsatu mudarrisina jududin. Jududin. Huh? Okay, fine. Kam taliban wajada al mudarrisu fi fasli. You can say wajada fihi. He saw in it. What did he see? Khamsatan wa thalathina taliban. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? How many students he saw? Lakinnani ara. I see 35 students, okay? Huh? So we will say wajada fihi khamsatan wa thalathina taliban. Liman al-kitabu qisasin nabiyina. What will you say? Huwa li fadilati shaykhi, and then the name. Huwa li means it is authored by. When you say li, it means authored by. Kam safatan fihi tesauna safatan. Kam safatan qara'a tullabu. While you say qara'a tullabu thalasan wa khamsina safatan. Or you can also say qara'a. If you say qara'a, then you have to put tullabu there. If you don't want to put tullabu, then you will say qara'u. They read. Are you with me? You will say qara'u. Become mishtaral mudarrisu hakibata. Ishtara bi samanina riyalana. Ishtara. When you say ishtara, fi'al file is there. He bought. Very good. Iqra amsilat al-atiyata li jama mudhakkar salim. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Now, here is our introduction in a nice way to jama mudhakkar salim. Al-mudarrisuna fil fusuli. Al-mudarrisuna is your mubtada. Fil fusuli, jar majrur, shubu jumla khabar. Aina al-muhandisuna. See, muhandisun, muhandisuna. Okay. Haulai tullabun. Haulai tullabun mujtahiduna. Now this, I want you to analyze, brother. Haulai mubtada. Tullabun. Khabar. Because it is indefinite. Are you with me? See, I told you. You got to be careful. Haulai mubtada. Tullabun. Tullabun. See, Sister Rahima, haulai is a pronoun, it is definite. So in order to have a nath, the nath has to be definite. But here it, haulai, tullabun, tullabun is khabar. No. What is mujtahidun, brothers and sisters? It is the nath for tullabun. Translation, make a proper translation. When you say these students, then you made it a badal. These are hard-working students. Yeah, that will be the correct translation. Any other translation, then you are not doing it according to the sentence. These are hard-working students. When you say these students, then it became haulai tullabu mujtahiduna. We are not saying that. Are you with me? If I say, okay, then you will say, brothers and sisters, what is haulai? Mubtada. What is a tullabu? Badal. Now the khabar will come. But here it is Haulai Mubtada Tulabun, this is your khabar, and then Mujtahidun is your naat. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Inshallah. Very good, brothers and sisters. Aina Ahmadu wa Abbasun wa Yasirun hum ghaibuna. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Hum ghaibuna, hum mubtada, ghaibuna is your khabar, munzu is your harf jar. And what is after that? Isbu'aini. What is Isbu'aini? Usbu'aini, 2 weeks. Usbu'ani, Usbu'aini, Usbu'aini. Munzu Usbu'aini, since 2 weeks, fine. Ya'budul Muslimuna Allah. Translation, brother? Muslims worship Allah. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Okay. Haulai tullabu. Now here it is your badal. Hunudun. They are from India. Okay. Wa ulaika Pakistaniyuna. Pakistaniyuna. Okay. Fine. Ijma'il asma'al atiyata. Jama Mudhakkar Saliman. Into Jama Mudhakkar Salim. It's very easy, brother. Brother Hassan, Mudarrisun, Abdul Samad, Muhandisun, Muslimun. Brother Farooq, you can try one. Kafirun, Kafiruna. Ghaibun, Ghaibuna. Sister Madina, Mujtahidun, Mujtahiduna. Sister Rahima, Mu'minun, Mu'minuna. And Sister Arifa, Salihun, Salihun. Fine. And now, brother, we already read exercise number 4 before. And inshallah, you will read it again. I would like you to highlight the last sentence. Hazihi uqudun. Because this is called, these numbers are called uqud. What are they? 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So remember uqudun. Highlight that. It will inshallah draw your attention. Ta'ammal ma yali. Ponder what follows. Al-marfu. Dakhal al-mudarrisu. Can you see the dhamma? That is the sign of its marfu. Sa'altu al-mudarrisa. Fatah. And then kultu lil mudarrisi. I said to the teacher. You can see fatah, kasra, dhamma. Those are the signs for its marfu, mansub and majrur. Now we come to Jama Mudhakkar Salim. Dakhal al-mudarrisun. So what is mudarrisuna? Marfu. It is 5. So what is the sign of its marfu? Waw is given. Saltu mudarrisina. What is the sign of its mansub? Ya is given. Kultu li mudarrisina. What is the sign of it? Ya. Okay. Okay. Now here comes brother and sister. Dakhala ishruna taliban. Translation. 20 students entered. So brother, ishruna is your 5. And it is marfu. What is the sign of its marfuness? Wow. Sa'altu ishrina. Are you with me? Sa'altu. Is it clear, brothers and sisters? आपकी खामोशी मुझे परेशान करती है. Okay. Inshallah you understood it. Ishrina is mafulun bihi mansubun wa alamatu nasbihi al-ya'u. Qultu li ishrina, again the same thing, li ishrina jar majrur. Fine. Brothers and sisters, between the brackets there is a noun. And these are all Jama Mudhakkar Salim. You have to complete the sentences by putting these into the empty spaces. The first is the example. Misal. Sa'altu Sina. In the bracket it was written Mudari Suna. The next one, Sister Maimuna, or Sister Arifa can start again. See, Mujtahiduna, we have to use it in a sentence. Now be careful, whether it is marfu, mansub or majrur. Okay. Yuhibbul mudarrisu tullaba al-mujtahidina, mashallah. See, tullaba is mansub, so mujtahiduna has to become mansub because it is the naat. So it will become mujtahidina, mashallah. Sister Maimuna, Ra'aytu ثلاثين طالبا. MashaAllah, excellent. Sister Nasreen, Yuhibbullahu, Allah allows Muslimeen. Very easy, brother, inshallah. Okay. Qaratu خمسين صفحة. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Sumayya, Sister Sumayya, سألت المهندسين. MashaAllah, excellent, excellent. Now, brother and sister, again ponder on the example, and then adif means make it mudaf ilayhi. Between the brackets, what you see, you got to make that noun into mudaf ilayhi. Example is given. Abnaul mudarrisi. Yes, sister. Ra'aytu salasina. Say it loudly, please. Okay. Ra'aytu, I saw. Saw what? Because, yes. See, we have to think. Okay. We always have to be alert when we come across a verb. Is it verb transitive or intransitive? Okay, what is Ra'a? Transitive. Because when you say Ra'aytu, is the sense complete? No. You need maf'ulun bihi. See? Remember, I always told you, you ask a question to the verb, what or whom. If you get the answer, that is your maf'ulun bihi. Ra'aytu, I saw. Saw what? And the answer is, I saw Salasina Taliban. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Inshallah. Okay. Abnaul Mudarrisi, sons of the teacher. Now, Abnaul Mudarrisina. How will you translate that? Sons of the teachers. Plural. So, Sister Fatima, Buyutul, MashaAllah, MashaAllah, excellent, excellent. Buyutul Muhandisina. Translation? Yeah, houses of the Muhandisina. That's houses of the engineers. But you said it correctly. And she said houses of the Muhandisina. That is correct. Fine. Sister Suhaina, Sayyaratu Mudarrisin. Yes, Hafza. This Amirul Mu'mineen. Amirul Mu'mineen. Okay. Brother Hassan, Imamul Muslimin. Imamul Muslimin. Brother Dakakinu Bakkalina. Stores of the greengrocers. Okay. Brother Deenul Kafirin. Very good, brothers and sisters. Now you have to again ponder over the example and then complete the sentence by putting the noun which is into bracket into the empty space, brothers and sisters. Here's an example. Kultu, I said. lil mudarrisi. I said to the teacher. Now it is qultu lil mudarrisin. Got the idea, brother and sister? Okay. Sister Nusrat. Abhathu an mudarrisin. I'm looking for the teachers. Okay, brother? Sister Madina. Ishtaraitu hadha al-kitaba bi harf jar. Khamsina rialan. Very good. Sister Rahima. Qultu lil muhandisina. Okay. And Sister Arifa. Translation, sister? I heard this news from the teachers. Very good. Sister Maimuna? Yes. هذه الجائزة للطالب المجتهدين. Not طالب المجتهدين. Because مجتهدين is a not for طلاب. Okay, جائزة. Brother, you know the students get prizes for coming as a number 1, number 2 in the class. So, Jaizatun is the prize that is awarded to the best students, you know. Now, we are still in the Jama Muzakkar Salim, exercise number 9. Ikra ma yali, sum maktubhu ma kitabatin, adadil waridati fihi bil khuruf. Now, these are all uqud, 20 to 90. Okay. Now you got to be careful. Is it mubtada? Is it fa'il? Is it maf'ulun bihi? Is it ism majroor? What is it? So you got to be careful. Whose turn is? Sister Nasri? Indi is zarf and mudaf ilayhi. So the indi is, brothers and sisters, zarf, shibu jumla khabar, and then mudaf ilayhi. Now what do we need, Sister Nasri? Mubtada. We need mubtada is always marfu. So what will you say? Indi khamsuna riyalan. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Khamsuna riyalan. Sister Manas, Ra'aytu khamsina taliban. Maf'ulun bi. Fil qa'ati. In the hall. Qa'at means a big hall. Sister Sumayya, ishtaraitu hadha al-mu'jama bi $50. See how beautifully Dr. Abdurrahim has presented this. Khamsuna is a mubtada, khamsina is a maf'ulun bihi, now khamsina is a ism majroor. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Sister Fatima, Qaratu, I read what? I read what? Sittina, maf'ulun bihi. So it has to be mansub. See, I gave you a hint. Qaratu, I read. Read what? Now we need maf'ulun bihi. So it will be maf'ulun bihi mansubun. Sittina safatan. Translation? I read 60 pages. I read 60 pages. Sister Sukhayna, fi hazihil majallati. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Beautiful. Arba'una safatan. Fi harf jar, hadhihi ism majroor, and al-majallati badal. And then arba'una will be your mubtada marfu. And safatan is your tamyiz. Sister Hafza. Oh, this is a tough. She got the tough one. Okay, let us do it slowly. Fish shahri. What is fish shahri? In the month. Again, this is your khabar. So, what will be your mubtada? Yawman is the ma'dud and it is muzakkar. The number has to be muannas. So, what will you say? Tis'atun wa ishruna yawman aw thalathuna yawman. Wa fil yawmi, again your jar majroor has come, and sa'atan is muannas. Are you with me? So the number has to be now Muzakkar. So what will you say? Arba'un wa ishruna sa'atan. Wa fis sa'ati dakikatan. So dakikatan is your ma'dud, muannas. But it will not make any difference to the uqud. So what will you say? Fis sa'ati sittuna dakikatan. Wa fil dakikati sittuna thaniyatan. What is thaniyatan? Seconds. What is thaniyatan? Seconds. Beautiful sentence. You should write it on a separate page. And then see how it goes, inshallah. Because the numbers, we have to understand the numbers. Okay, brother Hassan, Hati, bring what? Hati is a verb, fi'al amar. Hati, bring what? Shrina. Maf'ulun bihi, brother. Are you with me, brother? We cannot say shruna, it has to be Shrina, maf'ulun bihi. That's why I gave you a hint. Bring what? That's maf'ulun bihi. Very good. Brother Abdul Samad, Najaha. No. Fa'il. Najaha tis'una fa'il. Najaha tis'una taliban wa rasaba failed. Arba'una taliban. Arba'un. So it seems like you are understanding, but you are hesitating. You will inshallah like it. Again, we read it. Najaha tis'una taliban wa rasaba arba'una taliban. Brother Abdul Mukim, fi hazil qariyati sab'una usratan. What is the meaning of this sentence? In this village, there are families. There are 70 families. This applies to ladies, they do not grow old. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Only men grow old. Ladies always remain young. So sinni, what is the meaning of sinni? My age. So here it is your mubtada, wa huwa mudafir, ya mutakallim, mudafilin. My age, how much is my age? Salasuna sanatan. My age is 30 years. And it will always remain 30. Sister Arifa says yes. Okay, sinni, my age is salasuna sanatan. Very good, brothers and sisters. And again, we did number 10. Did we do, brothers and sisters? Now we have to Ikra ma yali, read the following and then write it in the writing of the adab bil huruf, in the letters. Okay? You will write the whole adad in letters. Brothers and sisters? I read it again. Ikra ma yali. Read the following. Thum maktubhu. And then write it. Ma kitabatil adadil waridati. And whatever the numbers are mentioned in this, bil huruf, with letters. Okay, brothers and sisters? Nusrat, it is your turn. Fi hadal fasli. Watch this, talibatan. Now it has to be done with the muannas now. Ihda wa salasuna taliban. That's the way you write it, inshallah. I hope you will understand. And if, inshallah, if you have time today, write it in the evening. Sister Madina, fil yawmi arba'un, because sa'atan is your ma'dud, so it has to be arba'un wa ishruna sa'atan. Translation, there are 24 hours in a day. Right? Indi, Sister Rahima, indi so indi salasun wa salasuna. Salasun, suna. Got that? 33. Salasun wa salasuna rubiyatan wa khamsatun wa arba'una riyalan. See, khamsatun, you added ta marbuta. Because riyalan is muzakkar. And rubiyatan is muannas, so you did not add ta marbuta. Got the idea? Inshallah. But Sister Arifa, Ra'aytahu, I saw him. Qabla, what will you say? Qabla has come, so you need mudaf ilayhi. Majroor. Isnatayni. Because it has to match with sana. It has to match with sana. If you make it marfu, it will be isnatani wa ishruna. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Sanatan. Now you make it isnatani into isnataini wa ishrina sanat. I met him 22 years ago. Okay? Sister Maimuna, what is the next one? Hafiztu. I memorized. What did you memorize? Suratan. So what will you say? Now, you say Hafiztu. Hafiztu. I memorized. Memorize what? First you will say 6. Mafulun bihi. Sittan. You will say Sittan. Wa Sittina suratan. You got the idea? Say it again, sister. Hafiztu Sittan wa Sittina suratan. MashaAllah. Okay, brothers and sisters. Sister Nasreen. Fi surati Rahmani. Samanin, MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Excellent. Samanin wa sab'una ayatan. Because that is your mubtada. Fi surati Rahmani, that is jar majrur khabar. Very good. Karatu. Sister Manas, Karatu. Tis'een. Okay. We'll say it again, brothers and sisters. Karatu tis'an wa tis'eena safatan. Got the idea? Inshallah. Now here is Ta'amal ma yali. La akaltu wa la sharibtu. Brothers and sisters, this is here a rule. I want you to highlight the rule. إِذَا دَخَلَتْ La. When the la enters, ala fi'al al-madi. Are you with me? Wajaba. Wajaba is fi'al. What is wajaba? Takraru. That is your file. Takraruha. It's repetition. For example, if you say ma akaltu, means I didn't eat. But if you have to say I didn't eat and I didn't drink, then instead of ma you will use la akaltu wa la sharibtu. But then it is necessary that you have two la's coming. If you say only ma akaltu, then you cannot change ma into la. Are you with me? You cannot say la akaltu. No, ma akaltu. But if there are two things that you didn't do, then you will, that is called takarar, repetition. So then you will say la akaltu wa la sharibtu. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? ذَلِكَ الطَّالِبُ لَا حَفِظَ الدَّرْسَ وَلَا كَتَبَ الْوَاجِبَ. Are you with me? He did not write his homework, nor did he memorize the lesson. Got the idea? La darabani. Translation. He did not hit me. Wala darabtu. And also, I did not hit him. See, twice the la comes, and twice the verb comes. And in that case, it is necessary, wajib, necessary that the la comes and it is repeated. Okay? La ra'ani. Translation, brother. He did not see me. Wala ra'ituhu. Yeah. I went to Yorkdale. I didn't see him. Nor he saw me. Neither did I see him, nor he saw me. So in that case, we will say, ذهبت إلى سوقي ولا رآني, and he did not see me. ولا رأيته, and I did not see him. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Alhamdulillah. Al-kalimatul jadidatu. Ijtima'un. A meeting, brother. Ijtima'un is meeting. Qissatun. Jama. Qissasun. Qissatun means stories. And Jama is Qissasun. Nabiyun. A prophet. Two plurals. Nabiyuna. What is Nabiyuna? Jama Mudhakkar Salim. And Anbiya'u. Jama Taksir. Broken plurals. Inshallah. Thaniyatun. Seconds. What is the Jama? Sawanin. This we are going to do in detail in book 3. This kind of a noun, Sawanin. Inshallah. Usratun, family. Usarun, that is your Jama. Jaizatun, Jawaizu. Mafailu, Jawaizu. Prizes. Najaha, Yanjahu. Fatahatani. Rasaba, Yarsubu. Fatahu Dammin. Qa'atun, hall. Jama, Qa'atun. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Now, we will do the next lesson, inshallah, tomorrow. But we won't spend too much time on it. We will do it little bit. I'll explain you a little bit. And then we will move to lesson 25. A very interesting lesson, inshallah. Okay, brothers and sisters? Rabbana atina fid dunya hasanatan wa fil akhirati hasanatan wa qina adhaban nar. Rabbana hab lana min azwajina wa dhurriyyatina qurrata ayunin waj'alna lil muttaqina imama. Rabbana zalamna anfusana illam taghfir lana wa tarhamna la nakunanna min al khasirin. Rabbana taqabbal minna إنك أنت السميع العليم وتب علينا إنك أنت التواب الرحيم. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون